Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing my monthly pop in a box. So for those of you that haven't watched the other video, I will leave it linked up here in the cards. I'm not too sure what side it is yet. And I will also leave a discount code and a link in the description box below if you guys wanted to sign up for yourself and save some money. So I signed up for the One Pop subscription monthly, and it is $14.95, and that is Canadian. I think that does include shipping. Not too sure. I'll leave it on the screen or in the comments below. So when I saw this and I saw two, did they send me 2 pops this month? Or did I get a double? I really hope I got a double because I selected a couple doubles. So I'm really excited. Last one I got was the Yes by Wreck-It Ralph, and I did actually end up having that thumbs up, but I eventually took it to a thumbs down. So maybe they sent it out before I went back and changed it. So just make sure when you sign up to go through as many pops as you can to thumbs up and thumbs down, or say that you have them in your collection already. I am super excited to see what's in here, and if you guys are ready to find out, just keep watching. I've crossed out my address here, and I just quickly went with a pair of scissors. I have no idea what's inside of here, but I know it says 2 on the bottom. So I'm hoping it's 2 of them, or if it's a double. So I'm gonna let you guys see first. What is it? What is it? Oh my god, it's Pongo and Perdita. Oh my goodness, it's a 2-pack, and it is a Pop in a Box exclusive. Oh my god, I'm actually tearing up. I was not expecting this at all. I know for sure I did thumbs this up because I thought this was so cute. I don't have anything that is 101 Dalmatians, so that is so cool. Oh my god, the detail on them is amazing. My box is just a little bit damaged, just right here on the front and over here on the side, but again, they sit on a shelf for me, and I'm not a big collector, so to me that is no issue. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Look at their little collars. This is so cool. And I'm pretty sure double pops, I think they retail for 30 bucks. And I paid $14.95 this month. That is amazing. So I'm super happy. Like, I can't get over it. I wanted this one. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. And the fact that I got 2 of them and I only paid 1. Okay, let me just check quickly online to see how much these are. Yeah, so everywhere I'm checking is about $30 to $35. So I got twice the amount of what I've paid for in the value of this. So that is super cool. Oh my god, I cannot wait for next month. I feel like I kind of want to up it. Maybe I'll get 2 a month. Oh, I don't know. You guys let me know down below if I should do it. Should I go to 2 a month, or should maybe I go to 3 a month? I don't know. I'm looking over here because my whole wall over here has them on it. But oh my god, this is so cool. Thank you so much, Pop in a Box. This is amazing. Oh my god, I love it so much. Okay, so if you guys wanted to sign up for Pop in a Box, I will leave the link in the description box below. It also has a coupon code there that you can save yourself some money. If you guys wanted to get one of these too, then go sign up and thumbs it up on their website. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you in another video. Bye!